What we got here, Casey?
So we got an exhaust catback 5-inch for a 96 7.3 liter Powerstroke, and we're gonna be putting it on here today.
Let's see what comes in the box. What we got here?
Ooh, shiny.
We got a lot of pipe pieces here.
Very straight too.
Yes.
And we also have an exhaust tip, which is a stainless steel 5 to 8-inch tip.
Now, considering the layout of the pipe, we can either stick it out the side and try to make the 8-inch tip fit under the bedside, or we can see if that goes down far enough and make it an axle dump. What are you thinking?
I don't know. Let's see what we can do.
All right, so we're going through the pieces, and we're like looking, and we're like, the instructions here say we got to make it fit with the 3.5-inch factory straight pipe, or not factory, but factory. And there's this little like downsized adapter there that we need, and we're going through the box, and it's not there. And then we noticed that it slid down in the bigger piece of pipe. So I'm currently trying to get it out. It's kind of stuck. There's the piece we need, right there. That's what makes the power happen, I guess. I'm gonna lube the exhaust hanger rubbers now to make sure they come out. Okay, but can is charged. That sucks.
Take two.
We got a good working can of WD. I'm gonna lube his rubbers. Make sure that they slide out all right, because these are royal pain sometimes. All right, cool beans.
So we have some friends here.
It's a wasp in the middle of winter. I think I got
He's right there. Get him. Get him.
My poor hat.
Oh no.
That's all right. So we laid all the pieces out on the ground so we can see what we're working with and where we got to be. I think we got plenty of pipes, so we're gonna make a cut and then start building from there.
You tired?
No, stuff hit my eye.
Oh. So we got it off all the hangers.
That's insane how fast it cut once we put a battery in it.
Alrighty, so we got all the old pipe out.
It's
we're gonna
time for a lunch break.
Woo! Alrighty, so we got the pipe on here. No hangers yet, but
It's just laid out.
it's just laid out here.
I think, based off where this is gonna lay right here, I think an axle dump will be pretty slick. Granted, you won't really see it, but considering you've got that big of a tip, it should work out all right. We'll see. So we're gonna start it with all the exhaust mocked up real quick, just to hear what it's like. Give her a tap.
Alrighty, so Benjamin's over here tightening these defibrillators up.
We got the clamps on. I got this clamp on the rubbers. Now I'm gonna get another clamp, get it set in the rubbers, and we're gonna put the over axle pipe in. Let's get her at it. All right, so underneath the pipe that goes up over the axle, we're running into problems where it's hitting the cross member. So we dented the axle, we beat the pipe a little bit, try to form it so it fit without hitting. It still hits when you have to suck the pipe up into it to tighten it. So we're gonna take the bracket and chop it and make it a little bit taller so it sits down just a little bit farther and everything will clear just like it needs to, and we'll have plenty of room for the axle to go up and down. So I'm just gonna cut this in half. I'm gonna take this piece of metal. I'm just gonna lay it in here like this with whatever gap I need, weld it back together, and call her good to go. I got it how I need it. I guess we're gonna go weld. All right, I got it all welded up. It looks kind of goofy, but it's gonna hold. I would have preferred to just start fresh and remake this whole thing, but what we did, it'll be fine. Now for one of my favorite products in the world, black Rust-Oleum. Hey Casey, you know what the #1 rule is, right?
Always lube your rubbers.
That's right. All right, so Casey's new tip is under there. The exhaust is all the way back up to the front. She's looking good and ready to rumble. What are you thinking, buddy?
Pretty nice.
Go give her a crank. Let us hear it. She sounds pretty good, bud. She sounds pretty nasty.
She's pretty good. A little smoky though.
She's stinky though. Well, I say that's successful. These are the extra pieces we got here. We got the tailpipe that comes out the side and the longer piece, I guess, if you're running a crew cab. What do you think? Happy? Alrighty, so we successfully put Casey's new 5-inch Diamond Eye Performance cat back pipe on for a 7.3 Powerstroke. Turned out flipping awesome. Sounds amazing. Looks good. So a good experience. Thank you guys for watching this video. If you like what you see, subscribe, hit the like button, and we'll see you next time.